Hey, Team Williams. Welcome to our page. Meet Tinkerbell, our new little 2022 Chevy Spark is new. Added on to our Turo fleet, car number 3. And I think this little fun car is going to be a nice car added to the fleet. Red truck.
Oh. Oh, this little teeny tiny baby car. This is so cute.
And he's driving the 2022 Chevy Spark.
Look at all. Hey, y'all. Got me straight off work looking like I'm looking, but I'm still cute.
Yes, you are cute, baby.
This is nice. It's manual, everything. I got the roller windows up and down. All that goodness. Let's see, we
Go over this way. Just picking up our 2022 Chevy Spark. Our new vehicle to add on our Turo fleet.
Yeah.
She's the first one to drive it. Got 23 miles on it.
Yep.